Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Buy Now Pay Later Amazon. Alright, let's begin. To use Amazon's Buy Now Pay Later feature, you first need to register for Amazon Pay Later. Open your browser and go to the official Amazon Pay Later registration page. From there, you'll see various product categories eligible for no-cost EMIs, meaning you can shop now and pay in 3 to 6 months based on your chosen plan. This service is designed for hassle-free shopping with delayed payments. If the product and seller support EMI options, you'll see the Buy Now Pay Later offer during checkout. There are a few eligibility requirements. You need an Amazon.in account, a verified mobile number, and a valid PAN card. You also need a bank account with one of Amazon's partner banks, and a valid proof of address, such as a driving license, voter ID, Aadhaar card, or a utility bill that's not older than 60 days. Lastly, you must be at least 23 years old. Once your registration is approved, you'll be able to use the Buy Now Pay Later option for eligible products. So that's basically how you can use Buy Now Pay Later on Amazon. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.